It's 9 p.m. on the hottest day of the year. A homeowner's AC just died. They're calling you ready to pay anything to fix it tonight. And your phone rings straight to voicemail. That call just went to your competitor. Let me show you how we find leaks like that using a real blueprint we built. This is what every business gets from us, free, after a quick audit. Here's how it works. The company fills out our audit. Every team member answers a few questions, and this comes back. No charge, just an example so you can see the detail. Top of the report, 32 team members across 3 locations, 26 plus automation opportunities, and 100% of staff open to AI, which is the biggest predictor this actually works. Section 1, the team audit. Every role, every pain point. CSRs handling 80 to 120 calls a day in peak season. Dispatchers routing on a paper map. Techs finishing paperwork at night, unpaid. We capture all of it. Then the patterns. Number 1 here, service call intake, scheduling, and dispatch. Hits 7 different people. 200 plus calls a day across 3 locations, all handled reactively. Now the roadmap. 3 tiers. Tier 1 is the easy wins, fast, low disruption, felt inside 90 days. Online booking, appointment confirmations, and AI dispatch with route optimization, which typically adds 1 to 2 productive hours per tech per day. That's pure capacity you already paid for. Tier 2, the high volume stuff. Inventory and truck stock, automated invoicing, and review generation, where companies go from 5 to 15 reviews a year to 50 to 200 per location. That drives your local search rankings and your lead flow. Tier 3 is the long game. A 24/7 AI voice agent that captures those lost after-hours calls, a customer portal, and predictive equipment failure that turns emergency breakdowns into planned, higher-margin replacements. Now here's where we go beyond the audit. Opportunities they never mentioned, but that work in their industry. Co-op marketing fund tracking, technician recruiting, seasonal demand forecasting, free ideas on top. Then we rank it all. Effort, impact, timeline, so they know the fastest path to results. But it's their call. They can start anywhere. Now, one thing that really matters about the audit, this isn't a one-person form. The more of your team that fills it out, the better your blueprint comes back, because we're mapping the whole operation, dispatch, field techs, install, office, all of it. So get your people involved. Your management